Crop insurance can be obtained without producing tax receipt in Kerala. The Agriculture Department authorities will not reject crop insurance application filed by any farmer who cultivates on leased land only because they could not produce tax receipt of the farmland. Director of Agriculture directed the district principal agriculture officers to attest the lease documents prepared by the farmer and the landowner if the tax receipt is not received. Malappuram, Kerala has most number of farmers who cultivate on leased land in the Kerala state. The farmers are considered for government benefits only if the crops are insured. Even when farmers in other districts produced tax receipt, the farmers in Malappuram could not produce the same as the landowners refused to hand it over. The benefits of farmers were not denied for not producing tax receipt. But the application filed by farmers under A.R. Nagar Krishi Bhavan in Vengara was rejected by Malappuram District Principal Agriculture Officer. When the Assistant Director of Agriculture forwarded a letter inquiring about the reason for rejecting the application, a written reply was given pointing out that tax receipt is mandatory for crop insurance. With the majority of the Krishi Bhavans in the district started rejecting crop insurance for not producing tax receipt, MLA forwarded a letter to the Agriculture Minister requesting his intervention in the matter immediately. After the farmers initiated direct protests, the Director of Agriculture issued a circular on Wednesday evening taking immediate action. However, the farmers who cultivate in their own land must produce tax receipt or ownership documents. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.